Hey guys, Dave Pratt. I'm on this project, moving forward with a client, and I want to show you something really interesting. He's got some concrete where it's moving, it's cracked, the dogs are barking, and that's a good thing because they're doing their job. Everything's kind of messed up, and messed up in a really bad way. So over here, I'm gonna flip around real quick. The concrete's all raised up, it's all messed up. It's up about 2.5, 3 inches, and it's not good at all. And I'm thinking, and I'll show you something in just a second, that it might be a drain problem, and the homeowner's going to have us do a demo pull off and then check with the HOA and inspect the back drains, because this whole thing, this why, number one, why you don't want concrete, but number two, paver stones can fix or be fixed very simply. But let me show you something interesting. Back over here, he's got two drains. The wall's moving and cracking a little bit. They've replaced one of the bars because that moved also. You can see where the old post used to be right there. And they cut that, put in a brand new section. But they've got a drain here and a second drain over there. And both drain all the way out to the street. So we're going to do a demo pull off in this section all the way out. And then they're going to inspect the drains right in through here. And if the water's leaking and causing problems along with the clay, that'll cause the concrete to move. But now that it's cracking and falling apart, it's not a good thing. So anyway, I'd love to show you the final project on this. I'm calling in Jesse Luna from Luna Pools to come in and possibly give a quote for the brand new coping and to fix the tile too. So anyway, Dave Pratt on this project, and stay tuned. I'll show you a lot more things, and I'd love to show you the finished project on this. So Dave Pratt, 714-588, my silhouette, 8634. I'm out. Hey guys, Dave Pratt. I'm on this project in San Juan Capistrano. We demoed out this back section we weren't going to do because the homeowner wanted everything to match, and this side of the house does not get a lot of sun, so it's still curing, still getting to that point. We put some nice high-end drain caps in, redid all the drains in the backyard, went down deep about 2 feet, and then picked up the area drains to the back. And then this section is the back area for the pool that I originally showed you, where the step was falling down. The clay underneath of the soil had deteriorated the concrete bullnose of the pool, and so that was all repaired, and they're still tweaking that a little bit. But you can see on this side, the color oxide is in, the concrete is drying nicely, and the other side will too, just in a little bit of time. But yeah, we're just about finished on this. I wanted to show you one last thing, kind of cool. We knocked down the back side access wall to the backyard. I had the guys pour in a 2-inch bullnose step so that it gave nice open clarity to the backyard. So let's turn around this way and I'll show you. So as you come through here, instead of it being walled off with a 4-foot wall right across here, it's not there. So when you walk through the back to the pool and the back deck, it's beautiful. So a few changes still to come on this, but my part of it is finished. The concrete's going to dry, and yeah, off to the next one. Love to see your ugly pool deck, your ugly patio, front yard, backyard, and let's talk about some ideas. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. I'm out.